So I quickly want to go over the cleanup procedure, as that is very important to how we paint in the art room. First thing you're going to do is take your painting over to the drying rack, which is over there. Drying rack. Carefully place your work in that drying rack. Make sure your name is on it on the front of your work before you put it in there. Then you're going to take your palette, your basin, your brush, and clean it. Okay, and you're going to use that paper towel. You can wipe down your table if there's any drips anywhere, and then make sure you throw that out. So I've brought my palette and my basin and my brush over to the sink. Okay, this is where we store our brushes. We make sure that they are stored bristle side up. Okay, and look at the sink. It's nice and clean inside. There's no clutter. The palettes are all neatly organized here so that they can dry, and the basins are neatly stacked in the corner upside down also so that they can dry. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on that water. Don't turn it on full power because it will splash you. Okay, that's plenty. Okay, you can use your finger and get the palette clean. You can also use a sponge, which is hard to do when you're holding camera because I only have one hand, but you want to make sure that the palette is rinsed clean, okay, because the next person that uses it does not want your paint mixing in with their paint. Okay, so once that's all clean, you rinse it really well, okay, and then you put it off to the side to dry. So I'm going to clean that better in a second. Now you need to clean your brush. What you will do is, actually I'm going to put this down first. Okay, so when cleaning your brush, you're just going to let the water run into the palm of your hand and gently smush the brush around till the water runs clear. Okay, the brushes will get stained by the pigment, and that's okay. They were white to begin with. I'm gently using my fingers just to make sure there's no paint stuck near the ferrule of the brush. Okay, once that's all done, I'm going to use my fingers to sort of reshape that brush. Okay, then you can dab it on a piece of paper towel, and then the brush will go in here, bristle side up. Okay, and this will stay here on this towel where they can dry. And then you're also going to want to rinse out your basin here. You can use a sponge and make sure you get all of the residue of the watercolor out. Okay, rinse it. And then you can stack it right here to dry. And if your table is particularly messy, you can use this damp sponge, not wet, damp, and go wash off your table. And that is that. Okay? Make sure you guys take care of your brushes. They are your best friends in the art room, so treat them as such. Thanks.